What's up, guys? This is going to be a quick, hopefully very quick Halloween tutorial. So of course I just did my eyebrows real quick, real quick, so they might be a little sloppy. I'm just gonna put some concealer on my lids to try to help my eyeshadow stick. So the palette we're gonna be using today is the James Charles palette. Just because it has some of the colors in it that I want. It's brand new, I haven't even used it, but this is the palette. So look at these colors, y'all. So beautiful, so beautiful. So just gonna start with a fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna go in with this reddish color around my eyes. Oh, okay, that's a lot. That may be too much. Oh no, that's good. And I am actually just putting it under my brow bone. And y'all, I am really trying to hurry up because I was supposed to be going a long time ago. A long time ago. I want my eyes to look kind of like bruised, like somebody punched me in them. So I'm just trying some things. I am not sure how this is gonna turn out, but so I'm gonna go in with this thinner brush, and then I think I'm gonna use this burgundy color to just darken it up a little bit. Hopefully that does what I'm trying to get it to do. And I'm going in my crease for that. And I don't think it's doing what I wanted to do. So I think I'm gonna go into, yeah, I think I'm gonna go into the black. Sorry, I think I'm gonna go into that black one with this same, no. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this brush. I think this brush, yeah, this brush came with my Janky eyeliner palette. So I'm going in with this shorter side, with the black. Okay, that is a black. I was going in the outer corner, outer V, or whatever, however you wanna say it. And then dragging it over to the crease. I don't know if I wanted to do that much, but so, and then I'm going back in with that same brush with the little product on it and just blending all that out. Blend, 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 blend. It's actually kind of looking how I want it to look, though. Interesting. And again, like I said, this is supposed to be quick, so I'm going to take this little angled brush, pretty sure you can't see it, and go back into that same red and try to get it like all the way on my eyelid, because I see some areas where it was not. And it's on both sides. Like I said, I want it to look like somebody punched me in the eye. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
You started on your makeup?
I sure did. I just started on my eyes. Nuki already don't call me.
Who?
Nuki.
You there?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
Well.
See, yeah, we're supposed to be going to a party. I am going to go ahead and do my face. Actually, let's just go ahead and do that while I have you guys. And so I can do everything else. I'm not adding, normally I put on like a lighter concealer in, as a highlight. I don't feel like doing that. I don't really want a highlight today. I want it to, you know, things to look chiseled and stuff, but I want like my face to be like almost the same color all the way through. I'm gonna see if I can do this in the amount of time that I'm trying to do it. Do my eyes look bruised? Y'all tell me. Do they look sad and puffy? I actually like my eyes how they look right now. I want my skin to look a little lighter than what it is. And then I want to also look like, you know? I don't know how to explain what that looks like, but I do. So I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder in neutral and setting my under eye. Okay, setting that. Do I really want to set my whole face for what I'm trying to do. I really do. I think I'm gonna try it. Do I look dead? Halfway? Jesus. I'm wasting this all over my shirt. I'm actually going to go ahead and try to semi-contour. I think it's this one. And like I said, I want it to be like fake almost. So I'm going to go here and then go down a little. And I'm not gonna blend it out. Not right now anyway. Yeah. So then I'm gonna go here. And then down. This way. I think I should have came out. It should have come out more and then down. I think that needs a little more brown. I like this side better than that side. Yeah. Oh yeah, and my nails. Yeah, I'm going so fast. I'm almost forgetting stuff. Back over with that. Now this is the foundation brush. And I'm just gonna brush all over. Brush all over. Not adding anything on here. You know, not taking anything off of here. yeah, so now I'm gonna go back. Where my brush? Is this it? I think this is it. Yeah, and I'm gonna go back under my eye. Excuse me. With that same red. I like this palette. This palette is like really, really pigmented. I actually like all the Morphe palettes. Yeah. And then I'm going back in with the, I'm going to call it the ChanteChante brush. Come on now. Come on now. My workspace is pretty small here. With the ChanteChante brush. I'm not adding anything to it. We're just going to right under. And then buff it out just a little bit with that same red brush. I mean, the same brush, not adding any product. I'm going to attempt to do my waterline with the black eyeshadow and this same little brush. Yeah, let's see how that works. Okay, it's working somewhat. Do I look like I got beat up? What y'all think? Yeah, so I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Dead of Night lipstick. I've had this for a while, and somehow I've lost the pencil that comes with it. I only have the liquid, which is fine. I hope it's still good and not like, you know, not good. I don't know, this seems a little thick. I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, so if you guys guessed it, I am Wednesday Addams from the Addams family, and this is my final look. What y'all think? I think I nailed it. I think I nailed it. I think this is lit. Yo, I really think this is lit. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if it's something else. I mean, Halloween will be over by the time that you all see this, but let me know if it's something else y'all want me to try. I'm going to put a picture of my full outfit here or here. But yeah, I think it's so cute. But thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all next time.